Welcome back to part 4 of our simple 3D character modeling series. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on modeling the hands of our 3D character. To begin, import your hand reference image into the scene. This will help guide the shape and proportions of the hand. Next, add a cube and scale it down to roughly match the size of the palm. Start shaping the cube to follow the hand reference. Add loop cuts between where each finger will be, and then extrude the faces to form the fingers. Adjust the length and position of each finger to reflect their natural proportions. Now, extrude a face from the side of the palm to form the thumb. Rotate and shape it to match the reference image. Continue refining the hand by adjusting the geometry and shaping the overall form. Follow along with the visual steps shown here for a smooth modeling process. Once the hand is complete, place it at the end of the sweatshirt sleeve. Scale and rotate it into a natural position. Duplicate the hand and move it to the other arm. Mirror it if necessary, then tweak the pose and scale to make both hands look balanced. Finally, parent each hand to its corresponding sleeve to keep everything connected and organized. That's it for part 4. You've now modeled both hands for your 3D character. In the next part, we'll move on to modeling the trousers. Don't forget to save your progress, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.